Good morning children. In the previous class we have done the estimation of sum and difference. In this class let us do the story problems in page number 34 workbook. Okay children, today let us do the story problems in page number 34 workbook. Okay. Now I am reading the 14th question. What is the sum of the largest 4-digit even number and the smallest 5-digit odd number? So sum means you have to do addition. You have to add the largest 4-digit even number and the smallest 5-digit odd number. Okay children? Sum means addition. So first let us write down the largest 4-digit even number. Largest 4-digit even number. So the largest 4-digit even number is 9998. The largest 4-digit even number is 9998. Here we have to find out the sum of largest 4-digit even number and the smallest 5-digit odd number. Now let us write down the smallest 5-digit odd number. Smallest 5-digit odd number. Smallest 5-digit odd number. The smallest 5-digit odd number is 10,001. 10,001. We have to find out the sum. Sum means addition. So we have to add both these numbers. So we have to find out the sum, which means we have to add both these numbers. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 plus 0 is 9 and 1. So the answer is 19,999. Okay children. Now let us do the 15th sum. So what is the 15th sum? Find the difference between the largest 5-digit odd number and the smallest 5-digit even number. So here we have to find out the difference. Difference means subtraction. Difference means subtraction. So for which we have to find the difference? We have to find out the difference between the largest 5-digit odd number and the smallest 5-digit even number. So now let us write down the largest 5-digit odd number. Largest 5-digit odd number is 99,999. The largest 5-digit odd number is 99,999. And the smallest 5-digit even number is smallest 5-digit even number. Smallest 5-digit even number is 10,000. Is 10,000. Here we have to find out the difference. Difference means subtraction. So you have to put the symbol minus. So you have to do subtraction. Okay. 9 minus 0 is 9. 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 And 9 minus 1 is 8. So this is the difference. This is the difference. The difference is 89,998. Okay children. Now let us move to the 16th sum. Let us move to the 16th sum. So what is the 16th sum? The 16th sum is a man bought a second-hand car for rupees 67,848. He spent rupees 13,657 on repair. How much money did he spend in all? So here a man has bought a car for rupees 67,848 and he spent some amount on repair. It's repair. So how much did he spend? He spent 13,657. Now we have to find out how much amount did he spend in all. Here it is given all. All means we have to do total. Total means you have to do addition. Okay children. So now let us do the sum. So which sum is it? It is 16 sum. So first let us write down the cost of the second hand car. So what is the cost of the second hand car? Cost of the second hand car is equals to rupees 67,848. After bringing the second hand car, he had spent some amount on its repair. So amount spent on repair. So amount spent on repairs. Amount spent on repairs, that is equals to rupees 13,657. 13,657. So let us find out the total money he spent in all. Now we have to find out the total money he spent in all. So we have to do addition. Total means we have to do addition. 8 plus 7 is 15. 4 plus 5 is 9 and 9 plus 1 is 10. Okay. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. 7 plus 3 is 10 and 10 plus 1 is 11. 6 plus 1 is 7 and 7 plus 1 is 8. So he spent 81,505 rupees. So he has spent 81,505 rupees. Okay children. Now let us do the 17th sum. Okay children. Let us do the 17th sum. So what is the 17th sum? Mr. Sher Khan has rupees 63,648 rupees in his bank account. If he takes out rupees 15,697, how much money is left in his account? So Mr. Sher Khan is having some amount in his bank. In that amount he has taken away some amount. So we have to find out how much money is left in the bank. So left means what? Left means you have to do subtraction. Here left means what? We have to do subtraction. If we take away something from some place, what happens? It will become less. Yes? If we take something away from some place, it will become less. Less means we have to do subtraction. Okay. Now let us do the sum. 17th sum. So amount in the bank. Amount in the bank. How much is in the bank? Rupees 63,648. Okay. Next. Amount taken from the bank. Amount taken from the bank. Amount taken from the bank, that is equals to rupees 15,697. Next, amount left in the bank. Amount left in the bank. Left means we have to do subtraction. Left means we have to do subtraction. So let us do the subtraction. 8 minus 7 is 1. We can't subtract 9 from 4, so 4 has to borrow. It will become 14 and 6 will become 5. 14 minus 9 is 5. You can't take away 6 from 5, so 5 has to borrow. It will become 15 and 3 will become 2. 15 minus 6 is how much? 15 minus 6 is 9. 15 minus 6 is 9. You can't take 5 from 2, so 2 has to borrow. It will become 12. 12 minus 5 is how much? 7. 12 minus 5 is 7. 5 minus 1 is 4. So the amount left in the bank is 47,951. Okay children, did you understand? So left means you have to do subtraction. Now let us move to the 18th sum. Let us move to the 18th sum. Okay, I am reading the 18th sum. A library has 12,456 Hindi books, 25,495 English books and 35,459 Sanskrit books. Find the total number of books in the library. So in a library there are some English books, some Hindi books and Sanskrit books. Now you have to find out the total number of books that are in library. So total means what? Total means addition. So you have to add these numbers. Okay. To find the total number of books. You have to add the 3 numbers to find out the total number of books. Now let us do the sum. So first let us write down how many Hindi books are there. So number of Hindi books. Number of Hindi books is equals to 12,456. Next, number of English books. Number of English books is equals to 25,495. Next, number of Sanskrit books. Number of Sanskrit books is equals to 35,459. Now we have to find out the total number of books. Total number of books. Total means you have to do addition. Total means you have to do addition. So now let us add these numbers. 6 plus 5 is 11 and 11 plus 9 is 20. So put 0 here and carry away 2 to the next place. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 9 19, 19 plus 2 21. So put 1 here and carry away 2 to the next place. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14. So put 4 here and carry away 1 to the next place. 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 1 13. So put 3 here and carry away 1 to the next place. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. So total number of books in library is 73,410. Okay children, did you understand? Now you do the 19th sum for homework. Okay, today 19th sum is the homework. That's all for today's class. Okay, bye.